Hello and welcome to part 5 in this series of tutorials for Excel beginners. In this tutorial we're going to look at formatting numbers, and before we get into formatting the spreadsheet we've been working on so far, I'll just show you an example of different types of formatting that you can apply to numbers on your spreadsheets. As you can see here, I've just put some examples of different ways you might see numbers. Currency is an obvious one, comma formatting, and also percentages. And I'll show you some of the things to watch out for when you're applying formatting to these numbers. Okay, we'll start with currency. Now the most obvious way to apply formatting to a number to get it to have currency style is to simply click on the toolbar button, which is up here as you can see. So we click that currency button and it applies number or currency formatting. As you can see, it puts on a currency symbol and also puts on the decimal place and 2 decimal places as well to the number. If you want, you can increase or decrease the decimal places with these 2 buttons here. And so if I want to say remove the decimal places on that number now, I can simply click that decrease decimal button twice and they go away. Equally, if I want to add decimal places, I can click it the other side and it adds decimal places. Okay, typically we would want to see the number presented like that because it's currency. Another way you can apply currency formatting is to use the menu. So if I select the next number there and go to Format Cells, now we go to the Number tab, make sure the Number tab is highlighted there, come down to where it says Currency, select that, and again you'll see we have a sample of how the number will appear when we're finished. What I'll do with this one is actually remove the decimal places, so I can do that as well in this dialog box, and also change the symbol, the currency symbol, and as you can see here we have a lot of different currency symbols, but I'm simply going to select US dollars for this example. Click OK, and there we have the currency value with the currency symbol attached to it. Now you will notice that on the first example the currency symbol is over on the left hand side of the cell, and the second example the currency symbol is up against the number. The reason for that is that the first example uses what Excel calls a counting format, so that all the currency symbols will be aligned on the left of the column regardless of how big or small a number is. If you want to change that, you can simply go to the format menu and change it back to normal currency formatting. Alternatively, if you've applied number formatting as we have here and you want to change to a counting format, you can do that as well. So what I'll do here, first of all, is just change the accounting format to standard currency format. So we go Format Cells. As you can see, accounting is highlighted, so I simply click the cell, the option above it. So we go to